Hello friends, today our topic is very important and basic of the PLC, the wiring of the PLC. Today topic will be carrying three questions. First one is the difference between NPN and PNP sensor. And second question is Fatek PLC hardware wiring. And last one is difference between PNP and NPN wiring. So let's start the lecture. First one question is difference between NPN and PNP sensor. As we know, there are two type of the sensor available in the market. First one is the NPN sensor and second one is the PNP sensor. NPN sensor always gives negative voltage of 24 volt during operation. And second one is the PNP sensor. PNP sensor always gives positive voltage during operation. And you can see in the picture, this is a 3 wire PNP and this is a 3 wire NPN sensor. And there are 3 wire of the sensor. This is the color of the wire is the brown, black and blue. In brown wire you have to get plus 24 volt is the supply of the sensor, and blue you have to give the 0 volt of the 24 volt is the both wire brown and blue is the supply of the sensor, and black is the output of the sensor. If this is the PNP sensor, then output will be positive. You can see the positive sign. And this is the NPN sensor, same wiring, brown color for plus 24 volt and blue wire is the for 0 volt of 24 volt. This is the supply of the sensor, and black wire always gives the output of the sensor. This is the if NPN sensor, then output will be negative, and if PNP sensor, then output will be positive. These are different between PNP and NPN sensor. You can see this is another example of the sensor. This is a BN means this is a brown, BU means this is a blue, and BK is a black wire. And you have to give the plus volt at brown wire and negative volt as blue wire, and you will be get a multimeter. If the output is positive, then this is the PNP sensor. If output is negative, then this is the NPN sensor. Okay. Now, Fatek PLC hardware wiring. Sensor are two types, so Fatek PLC wiring also two types. So we, according to our sensor, we have to do our wiring. If we purchase the PNP sensor from the market, then we have to do PNP wiring. And you can see this is the plus and negative voltage of the PLC. First you have to give the 220 volt supply at L and N. L is the line voltage and this is the neutral. Then your PLC will give plus and negative volt at this point. Okay. If you want to do PNP wiring, then you have to connect S/S pin with negative 24 volt. You can see this is a red wire. You can see this is a yellow color wire is the internal wiring of the PLC. All the point of input is connected with S/S. If you give the negative volt to S/S, then all wire will be connected with negative wire. Okay. And this is a PNP sensor, and you have to give the supplies plus 24 and negative 24. So this is a negative 24 volt, not positive. Okay. And this is a plus 24 volt. Okay. So your PNP sensor will be give plus 24. So negative volt is coming from this circuit and plus come from PNP sensor. Your input will be on. Okay. This is the PNP wiring of the Fatek PLC. This is the wiring of the output side. This is the C0 common for Y1 and Y2. This is a common one for Y3, Y4, Y5, and this is a common 2 is the for Y6 and Y7 as soon. Okay. If your PLC is the relay type, if you give 24 volt, then your output will be give output is 24 volt. Okay. and if you give the negative to be a 20 volt to the your actuator, then it will be on by, okay. Now this is NPN wiring. If you have the NPN sensor, then you have to do NPN wiring. In NPN wiring, you have to connect the S/S point with plus 24 volt. Okay, you can see this is the internal wiring of the PLC, is a yellow color. Okay, so I take the two example NPN sensor, and you have to give the supply plus 24 volt and negative 20 volt to the PNP sensor. When NPN sensor will give the output, it will be negative, and internal circuit is positive, then your input will be on. Okay, and this is your output side, same like PNP wiring. Line and neutral gives the 224 volt to the PLC for supply of the PLC, and the common 0, 1, 2. If you give the to a 24 volt, then your Y1 and Y2 will give the 24 volt when your PLC give the on the output. And if it is the relay type PLC, then you can use the 220 volt also. Okay. If you have any question regarding this lecture, you can raise a question in comment box. You also can the message on our WhatsApp number.